Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by extracting text from the game now. Open the resource files and export lines into a single editable format. Use a CAT tool or spreadsheet because it preserves context and line ID, and make sure encoding is UTF-8 so characters don't break. Create a short glossary for proper names, UI labels, and tone. This prevents inconsistent translations later. Once done, back up both original and extracted files so you can always revert if parsing causes issues. You now translate each string while keeping context visible. Include screenshots or comments for where text appears, because context affects word choice and tone. Prioritize UI limits, shorter labels first, and adapt phrasing to fit 20-30 character constraints without losing meaning. Make sure placeholders, variables, plural rules, and gender logic are preserved. Test escape codes and punctuation so the game engine parses correctly. When you finish a chunk, run quick in-engine checks to catch layout or overflow problems. You re-import the localized files into the build and run a focused playthrough to verify placement, timing, and voice sync. Address overflows, mistranslations, and broken variables immediately. Make small iterative fixes and retest those scenes. Use automated text checks for encoding and missing ID to speed validation. If something goes wrong, reproduce the bug, capture logs and exact repro steps, and isolate the failing string. This lets you fix the root cause instead of guessing at symptoms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.